All right, learning target 572 asks us to make a scatter plot from a table, write an equation of a fitted line, and then use the equation to find values. So those first two steps are the exact same thing as targets from 5.6. So I take number 4 as an example. Quick make a table or make a scatter plot. X values are going from 2 to 10, no problem going by ones. Y values are going from 6.2 to 72.1. So I'm going to actually sneak this guy down so I can get a little more room on my y-axis. Since none of the values are negative, I'm going to go by ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And for the y values, maybe to get from 6.2 to 72, maybe I'll go by 5. So I've got 5, 10, there's 20, 30. The smaller the scale, the better. You'll be able to estimate your points better. And here we go. 2, 6.2. There's 5, close enough. 4, 22.5. Okay. 6, 40.2. Close enough. 8, 55.4. 10, 72.1. Close enough. You can see there's definitely a positive correlation going on. Draw your fitted line. These almost are perfectly on a line. In fact, I drew a line that hit them all. Now, there's two things you need for the equation of the fitted line. You need the slope and the y-intercept. The y-intercept, I can see very clearly. It's not -2. Remember, each box is 5, so it's -5, -10. And then we need our slope. So I'm going to pick 2 points I can see clearly. Maybe I'll use this one, 315. And maybe I'll use this one, 640. So find your slope. Use your formula, 40 minus 15, y minus y over x minus x, 6 minus 3. We get 25 over 3, which is a slope of 8 and 1/3, or roughly 8.3. So my equation then, if I go back, we found a slope is about 8.3. So I'd say y equals 8.3x, and the y-intercept we said looked like about -10, which if you compare to the computer-generated answer, we're pretty darn close. Now the last step, that's all review from 5.6. The last step is to use this equation to find the value, I think they said, when x was 5. So we just use our equation. We take 8.3 times 5 and subtract 10. Excuse me. 8.3 times 5 minus 10. And we're looking at a value when x is 5, y is going to equal 31.5.